Welcome students. In today's class, I will be discussing about the peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau is a tableland composed of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. It was formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land and thus making it a part of the oldest landmass. Example of tableland, igneous and metamorphic rocks. The plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. This peninsular plateau is divided into two, the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. This Central Highland and Deccan Plateau is divided by Narmada River. Remember this. Here lies the river Narmada and this portion is termed as the Central Highland, and to the south of Narmada River lies the Deccan Plateau. Now students, to the south of this Malwa Plateau, this region is termed as Malwa Plateau, is bounded by Vindhya Range. Remember Vindhya Range. And to the northwest it is bounded by Arvali Range, and this range diminishes here with the sandy and rocky desert region of Rajasthan. From here you won't find the Arvali Range. The flow of river, especially the rivers from this southwest, these rivers drain toward the northeast. That means the water flow from the southwest toward the northeast, and it indicates the slopiness of this region. That means this region are higher. And the plateaus that are found in this Central Highlands are the Malwa Plateau, the Bundelkhand Plateau, the Bhagalkhand Plateau and the Chotanagar Plateau. Now students, let us discuss about the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is a triangular landmass. Remember, the Deccan is a triangular landmass that lies to the south of river Narmada. This is river Narmada. The Sattapura range flank its broad base in north while and Mahadev. This is Mahadev Hills. Remember, this is Mahadev Hills. And this is your Michael range. This is Kaimur range. Students, the Deccan Plateau is higher in the west. This side it is higher. And slopy towards the eastern Ghats. This side it is slopy, it's a bit lower. And the extension of this plateau is also visible to the northeast. It is extended to here towards our northeast. Locally known as Meghalaya, Karbi Anglong Plateau, North Chachar Hills. It is separated by fault of Chotanagar Plateau. Chotanagar Plateau lies here, so it is separated by this. The three prominent range from this west, remember, here lies your Garo Hills, the Khasi Hills, the Jayanti Hills. Here your the Chachar Hills, Naga Hills. Students, the Western Ghats, this is the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats lies parallel to the western coast. This is western coast and this is your Western Ghats. And there are numerous they are continuous and can be crossed through passes. This from here it starts the Western Ghats, and in between them, this mountain range, there are passes. So we can cross through these passes and go towards this Eastern Ghat. And the Western Ghats are higher than the Eastern Ghats, remember. And the highest peak includes the Annai Modi. You need to find it out where the Annai Modi peak lies in the Western Ghats. Again, one important features related with this entire peninsular plateau is this. Plateau is a black soil and this plateau is black. The soil of these plateaus are black. Remember this. Okay, black, and this is black due to volcanic eruption. Remember, this is black. The soil is black due to the volcanic eruption. So, due to that, this from here you'll find the Western Ghat. From here you will find the Western Ghats. Here you will find the Satapura range. So all the black soils are trapped here. Remember, the black soils are trapped here. And this is also known as Deccan Trap. This is the reason why they are known as, this region is also known as Deccan Trap, because here you will find the Western Ghat, here you will find the Eastern Ghat, here you will find the mountain range, Mahadhav range, Maikal range, Satapura range, and the volcanic eruptions. So these eruptions are trapped here. So that's why the soil here is black, and it is also known as Deccan Trap. Thank you. Now students, let's talk about the Deccan Plateau. To the south of this Narmada river lies the Satapura range, and from here it starts the Deccan Plateau.